Greetings, beautiful people. Let's solve this question. Kasim has some jars, have small, medium, and large. Okay, so small, medium, and then large. These are the jars Kasim is having. The total number of jars are 400. So all these jars sum up to 400. Then 3 out of 8 of the 400 jars are empty. So in mass of means multiply, right? So we have 3 out of 8 times 400 represent empty bars. So we can simplify this as how many 4 are in 8? That will give us 2. How many 4 are in 100? That will be 100. And how many 2 are in 2? That is 1. How many 2 are in 100? That is 50. 50 multiplying 3, that will give us 150. Now this is for empty jars. Now these empty jars has been represented in a ratio as the number of small jars is to the number of medium jars. Small is to medium, that is 3 is to 4. And then we have medium is to large, that is 1 is to 2. We have medium on both sides, so we can combine them. What is the LCM of 1 and 4? That will be 4. So how do we get 4 on this side? Can multiply this ratio by 4, then can have 3 is to 4 for small is to medium, and then 4 times 1 will give us 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. So we have 3 is to 4 and 4 is to 8. Now we can see the medium are having the same ratio, so we can combine the 3 as. So for example, if I have A is to B and then B is to C, then I can say A is to B is to C. So I can have 3 is to 4 is to 8. 3 is for small, 4 is for the medium, and then 8 is for the large. You are supposed to work out the percentage of Kasim's empty small jars, of Kasim's jars. Now the question is, what is Kasim's jars? That is 400. So we can say if we want empty small jars, what is the number of empty jars? That is 150, right? We have to focus on the empty jars. And what is the total ratio here? The total ratio is 3 plus 4 plus 8, and that will give us 3 plus 4 will give us 7. 7 plus 8 will give us 15. That is the total ratio. What is the portion that represents small? That is 3. So 3 out of 15 times 150. Then how many 15 and 150? That is 10. Then 3 times 10 will give us 30. This 30 represents small empty jar. However, we have been tasked to find the percentage of that. So percentage means we should multiply by 100. So we'll do 30 out of, what is the out of the total number of Kasim's jar, which is 400 times 100. Then how many 100 are in 400? That is 4. 2 can divide both 30 and 4. So 2 divides 30, 15. 2 divides 4, 2. Then 15 divided by 2 will give us 7. Remember 1 all over 2. So our final percentage is 7.5%. Thank you for joining me, and see you in the next video.